The CT5 won't be unique in relation to the CTS, notwithstanding, you can expect some change with regards to the plan. The new model will be sportier and progressively present-day while another body style will be highlighted also. Besides, you should realize that the CT5 will be founded on the Escala idea, so a portion of the subtleties will be kept and altered. The front grille is wide similarly as it is the situation with the idea vehicle, however the work is unique. Moreover, the headlamps will be changed also and you can see thicker units with little LED games towards the grille and greater lights at the corners. The hood can't be contrasted with the one on the Escalas while the test vehicle likewise accompanies a substantial lump in the center. The explanation behind this lump is that we are taking a gander at a higher execution display with the V identification, in all probability. With respect to the standard Cadillac CT5, it won't be that forceful. The CT5 accompanies a roadster-style rooftop and a short inclining deck top, yet the general feel is that it held the fastback look of the Escala. Concerning the derriere of the vehicle, there is an incorporated trunk cover spoiler and the spotless back sash with a gentle V structure. The Y-molded tail lights of the Idea are utilized for the generation show, yet they won't be as radical as they are on the Idea vehicle. Escala has a great inside, however sadly, it won't be the situation and just a couple of subtleties from the Idea will be balanced and utilized. In view of what occurs at the market of the extravagance vehicles, we anticipate from Cadillac to consolidate vast presentations for the instrument bunch and the infotainment framework. The inside will be lively and the seats agreeable regardless of whether you run with the base trim. It stays to be seen which motor Cadillac will use to control this machine. It is required for the CT5 to acquire its units from the